Hi, welcome to the series Maths is Easy, Maths is Fun. We'll continue our studies with different kinds of quadrilaterals. The fourth kind we will see now is a rhombus. A rhombus looks like a diamond. It has all the four sides equal in length. The two pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. There is a slight difference. Like in a rectangle, the two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. They are equal in length, but a condition for rectangle is all the four angles must be 90 degrees. That is not a condition as far as rhombus is concerned. The four sides must be equal. The two pairs of opposite sides must be parallel to each other, and that's just about it. Okay. One more property over here. Diagonals of a rhombus are always perpendicular bisectors of each other. You will have one longer diagonal and one shorter diagonal. That is because of the diamond shape, and they are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Let us say the length of side of a rhombus is S. Perimeter, which is the sum of all four sides, will always be equal to 4S. As far as area of a rhombus is concerned, the diagonals come into picture. Let us say the lengths of the diagonals are D1 and D2. I am using D1 and D2 to specify diagonal 1, diagonal 2, diagonal starts with a D, that's why I have used D. So area of a rhombus is equal to D1 D2 divided by 2. It's basically the product of the diagonals divided by 2. Now let us just understand the subtle intricacies. We've seen a square, we've seen a rectangle, we've seen a parallelogram, and we've seen a rhombus. Every square is a parallelogram. What is the condition for a parallelogram? The two pairs of opposite sides must be parallel to each other. That condition is satisfied by the square. All the four angles must add up to 360 degrees. That is satisfied by the square. Every square is a parallelogram, but the reverse is not true. Every square is a rectangle. What do you need for a rectangle? Again, two pairs of opposite sides must be equal in length. In a square, all four sides are equal. The two pairs of opposite sides must be parallel to each other. That condition is satisfied by the square. All the four angles must add up to 360 degrees. That is satisfied by a square. So every square is a rectangle. Reverse may or may not be true. Every square is a rhombus, because what do you need for a rhombus? The four sides must be equal in length. That is satisfied by a square. All the four sides must add up to 360 degrees. That is a universal property of quadrilaterals. The diagonals must be perpendicular bisectors of each other. That is also satisfied. So you can say every square is a rhombus, but the reverse is not true. Thank you.